Hi, I'm Jeff Hashey, General Manager with Mo Plumbing. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to repair a leak in a copper drain pipe. The tools we'll need are a large diameter tubing cutter, soldering kit, drain pipe, and repair fitting. Let me get started. We'll go ahead and cut our section of pipe that's leaking out. Once that's been removed, we'll go ahead and measure up our new pipe and fitting, and we'll get ready to solder everything together. Once we've cut our pipe to the appropriate length, we'll go ahead and clean things up and get ready to solder. Once we've cut our pipe to length, we're ready to clean our piping. I've already cleaned my fitting. We'll flex it all up, get ready to solder. Install our new fitting. We'll flex that as well, both ends. Solder everything together. We'll cool that off. Starting outward of the joint is to not crack it by cooling it off too quickly. We can reassemble our trap, and that's how we repair leaks in copper drain pipe.